For the height of the cylinder, we're going to look at the 26. So now we can go ahead and fill in our formula. Area of the base was 706.5 times the height, which is 26. So now we get 18,369. And that is the volume of the cylinder. Now, since I want to know the volume of the entire composite shape, you just add both volumes. So the volume of the cone plus the volume of the cylinder. 4,945.5 plus 18,369. And that will be feet cubed. There we go. In our last example, this is an example of working backwards. When they give you the volume and you have to find another one of our components. So let's look. A large ice cream cone has a diameter of 8 inches and a volume of 468.91 cubic inches. What is the height? So let's draw our cone. I have a diameter of 8, and I do not know the height. That's what it's asking you. They do give you the volume, so you need to copy down your volume formula. Plug in all of your known values. So let's see, I know volume. They give me volume. I have the 1/3. Area of the base, that's for my circle. And I do have information there, so I can figure that out. H is what I cannot figure out. So let's go ahead and figure out capital B. Since the base of a cone is a circle, I'm going to use the formula for area of a circle. Remember that it calls for radius, but they give me diameter. So how do I turn a diameter into a radius? I divide by 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. So it's 3.14 times 4 squared. And it's 50.24. So now I can plug in my values here. Instead of V for volume, I'm going to write what they give me the volume was. 468.91. I have 1/3 times 50.24, and then the H. And now this just becomes a regular equation, where if we highlight the variable, we need to leave the variable alone. The first thing that we can do is solve these two. One third times 50.24, which gives me 16.74. We can just round it to the nearest tenth. So that will be the 7. Since you have a 4 next to it, it stays as a 7. So 16.7. H, bring down your 468.91. And just like with any equation, the 16.7 and the variable, the H, they're being multiplied. So the opposite of that is to divide. So the height is 28. We can just leave it at 28 inches. It is not cubed because it's just height. You're not finding the volume. Okay? Thank you.